Did you know 2 in 5 people globally do not have access to safe and clean water?
They are struggling to fulfill their basic needs. Then, how about Indonesia?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Salma Fatur Aini and this is my friend
Amtiara Farani.
Greeting to all of you. We are students of State Junior High School Wangkuri. We would like to present our research work entitled A Water Filter That's on Biocar Salaka.
Affordable, and sustainable water purifier design based on Biocar through the ways of Snake Fruit Stump in the Turi District, Sleman Regency, Daerah Istimewa Yogyakarta. As stated before, there are unlucky people in Indonesia who struggle with classic problems like access to safe and clean water. The rise of population leads to an increase in water demand. However, people in the Turi sub-district cannot all this luxurious clean water, specifically in Kenteng Wonokerto village. Most people there do not have access to PDAM for getting clean water, so they rely on the well's water. Ironically, this well's water is contaminated with iron, so further treatment is needed before consumption. There are a lot of water treatment systems for purified water. However, we need a simple, low-cost, and portable water treatment device that can be used for acid characteristic of water and easy to build. Based on our preliminary observation, this village has excellent potential for snake fruit or salak, resulting in high storm waste. Meanwhile, this waste contains high carbon that can be transformed into biochar, and it can be used as water treatment materials. So, based on this problem and its potential, we propose a low-cost and portable water purifier based on biochar called Biocar Salaka project.
With this background, we have two main research problems. First, what is the potential and design of Biocar Salaka water purifier device using snake fruit Salaka stem waste? Second, how are the effectiveness and the best composition of a water purifier device based on snake fruit stem Biocar Salaka or Biocar Salaka? And our research objective are to explain the potential and design of Biocar Salaka water purifier device using snake fruit Salaka stem waste, and to examine the effectiveness and the best composition of a water purifier device based on snake fruit stem Biocar Salaka or Biocar Salaka.
This research was conducted in October 2021 to February 2022 at Kenteng Wonokerto Village, Turi Subdistrict, Sleman Regency, Daerah Istimewa Yogyakarta. This research used the quantitative approach with experimental design versus one group pre-test, post-test design. Data was collected with observation, documentation, literature study, and experiment method. Water quality data were analyzed in the iron or Fe parameter before and after treatment using Biocar Salaka.
This research used workshop tools, stationary and standard glass laboratory equipment. We also use PVC pipe, silica sand, zeolite, Dacron, and snake fruit stem waste as filler materials for Biocar Salaka. This is Biocar Salaka design.
Our research is divided into three phases. The first phase is biochar preparation and water sampling in people's wastewater. Next, we drafted and made Biocar Salaka filled with silica sand, zeolite, prepared biochar, and Dacron. Last, we tested the effectiveness of Biocar Salaka using water sample and analyzed its Fe concentration in PBTK-LPP Yogyakarta.
We found that the snake fruit stem waste has excellent potential as biochar with a fry yield at around 7.7%, and because its source is highly abundant in the Turi sub-district. Moreover, this district produced over 450,000 quintals of snake fruit in 2016 and become the highest production in the Sleman Regency. Biochar is carbon-rich solid materials converted from organic waste or agricultural biomass stored in complete combustion or limited oxygen supply. In this research, biochar is made using a simple furnace method. The combustion process takes about 12 hours and is left for 7 days before being used. From 60 kg of stem waste, 4.6 kg of biochar was obtained. This was predicted due to the snake fruit stem liquid nature. If we were using the density of the snake fruit stem, then we expected a higher result. Next, we prepared biochar and other fillers and filled in the Biocar Salaka. There are 4 tubes for each required material, namely silica sand, zeolite, prepared biochar, and Dacron, and stop faucet surface to drain the remaining water and materials. We also further its composition with zeolite into 3 comparison, namely 1 in 2, 1 in 1, 2 in 1, V per V.
We also found that the only composition that passed the drinking and clean water standard according to the Permenkes RI number 32, the year 2017 is Biocar Salaka with Biocar in zeolite 1-in-1 V per V resulted in 0.26 ppm and 93.28% removal of iron. Of this chart showed that the treatment with Biocar is better than without Biocar, resulting in 2.39 ppm, 0.26 ppm and 1.13 ppm. However, if Biocar is added more, it results in a low effectiveness. This is predicted due to the low availability of zeolite, so Biocar got heavy work to purify the water.
The mechanism of this Biocar Salaka is based on absorption by zeolite and Biocar and filtration by silica sand and dacron. Water will enter through a pipe that rises to the top. Then the water will flow into the first tube containing silica sand. Silica sand will separate particles with their size. The most acceptable size will pass through this tube and the bigger size will be plugged in this tube. When the water in the first tub is full, the water will flow again into the second tub containing zeolite, then Biocar, and lastly filtered by dacron. Biocar Salaka also has a low-cost application because using materials that are easy to find is this location, portable, lightweight, and sustainable because saturated Biocar can be used as fertilizer for farmers.
Based on our research, we can conclude that a low-cost and portable water purifier device called Biocar Salaka has been built using snake fruit stem waste Biocar, which is highly abundant in the Turi sub-district. Biocar from snake fruit stem waste effectively reduced Fe in water, with the best composition in this research was 93.28% with Biocar in zeolite 1-in-1 V per V. And our recommendation for next research are Further research is needed for improve the percent yield of Biocar based on snake fruit stem. For example, use another method like a hydrometal reactor. Further investigate of Biocar Salaka performance with other parameters like pH, turbidity, and total coliform and its characteristic using XRD, XRF, and total pore. We live in a world where every single person has access to clean and safe water. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.